Okay, now we are discussing one new chapter, that is electrochemistry. What is that? Electrochemistry. So, this is broadly in our syllabus we have classified two types. One is electrolysis, another one is electrochemical cells. What are those? Electrolysis and electrochemical cells. First, we will see the electrochemistry. Now, in that first electrolysis, that it explains about the production of electrical energy. It explains about the production of electrical energy from a spontaneous chemical reaction. From a spontaneous chemical reaction, and also usage of electrical energy for a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. For a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. So, it explains, electrochemistry mainly explains the production of electrical energy from spontaneous chemical reaction and also usage of electrical energy for a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Is it clear? So, this is mainly electrochemistry we can explain about the production of electrical energy from a spontaneous chemical reaction and also usage of electrical energy for non-spontaneous chemical reaction. For usage of non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Now we see that depends upon the electrical conductivity. Substances are broadly classified into two types. One is electrical conductors, another one is non-conductors. What are those? Which conducts electricity, we can say they are electrical conductors. Which do not conduct the electricity, they are known as non-electrical conductors. First we see that electrical conductors, which are conducts the electricity. First, metallic conductors or electronic conductors. But first one, metallic or electronic conductors. Second one, semiconductors. Third one, electrolytic or ionic conductors. What are those? Electrolytes. Because of the electrolytes or ionic materials, because of the ions you can see. Because of the ions, they conduct the electricity. These are the electrical conductors. What are those? Metallic or electronic conductors, semiconductors, and electrolytic or ionic conductors. Non-conductors, so which do not conduct the electricity. Example: wood, plastic, rubber. First, you see that electrical conductors. In the first, due to the free electrons that will conduct the electricity. Electrical or metallic, electronic or metallic conductors. The name itself indicating that due to the free electrons that conduct the electricity. Example: copper, silver, alloys, aluminium, tin and all. And here we have seen that some are non-metallic conductors also there. What are those? Non-metallic conductors. So the conductors which are in non-metals. So examples: graphite. Carbon black, and few organic polymers. What are those? Few organic polymers like polyethylene, polyphenol, vinylene, and polynaphthalene, and polyindole, and different types of organic polymers conduct the electricity, which are non-metallic in nature. Next, what are the factors affecting the electronic conductors? Nature and structure. Depends upon the nature and structure of the conductors. Next, number of valence shell electrons. How many number of valence shell electrons are there? That is very important. Another one, density of the substance and temperature. So these are the factors mainly influence the conductivity of electronic or metallic conductors. So the conductors which conduct the electricity, they are electrical conductors. Which do not conduct electricity, they are non-electrical or non-conductors, simply you can say. So first, metallic is due to the free electrons that conduct the electricity, and some non-metallic conductors also there: graphite, carbon black, and organic polymers. Next, factors. What are the main factors? Nature and structure of the conductor. Next, number of valence shell electrons and density. Finally, temperature. Next, semiconductors. They conduct electricity due to the free electrons and holes. What are those? It conducts electricity due to the free electrons and holes. So what are the holes and all? We will discuss in the solid state. There we will get that clear idea about the semiconductors and all. Okay. This is about the few substances which conducts electricity, which do not conduct the electricity. Now we will see the electrolytic or ionic conductors. So first one, electronic conductors or metallic conductors. They conduct electricity due to the ions, due to the electrons in the metallic or electronic conductors. In the electrolytic or ionic conductors, due to the free electrons, due to the free ions, that conducts the electricity. So electrolytic or ionic conductors conducts the electricity due to the free ions. In aqueous or in fused state only. In the aqueous and in some solvent, or in the fused or molten state. So for example, if you take the sodium chloride crystals. So sodium chloride crystal, if you touch that one, we should not get any electricity. If you apply any electrical charge on it, if you touch in the solid state, we won't get any shock. But in its aqueous state, adding some water into that sodium chloride, that salt, and keep one electrical wire, if you touch from other end, definitely you will get a shock. Why? Because there ionization takes place, separation of the ions takes place. So because of that ionization or separation of the ions, so they cause the electricity. They cause the electricity in aqueous or in fused state. That one character is very important, that electrolyte must be ionized. Then only that will give the, or that can act as a conductor. Otherwise that cannot act as conductor. Is it clear? If you take the sodium chloride in solid state, you should not get any shock. But in the aqueous or in the fused, what is the difference between the aqueous and fused? If you add some water, we can convert it into Na plus and Cl minus along with the H plus and OH minus. In that fused state, that contains only Na plus and Cl minus, or molten state also you can see. They are also ions. So that ions causes the conductivity. So this is the electrolytic or ionic conductors. Next are non-electrolytes. So the substances or the electrolytes which do not ionize to conduct the electricity. They are called as non-electrolytes. Example, urea nitrate, sucrose, glucose, benzene, carbon tetrachloride. These all are considered as non-electrolytes. Why? They cannot dissociate or they cannot ionize into respective ions. Is it clear? That is the electrolyte conductors or ionic conductors.